We have entered in this era where anyone can create powerful web software by just describing their idea in simple plain English. That time gone where you want to spend thousands of dollars to build any software and wait for months to create that software and publish it. Now anyone can create powerful software in just few hours or few days, and all of this possible through vibe coding. And today we are going to cover everything about vibe coding. This is a full course of vibe coding. We talk about all the fundamental things you need to know that will separate you from the 99% of people, and then we create a full-fledged software using vibe coding, mainly using two software, which is Lovable or Bolt. And I have an idea how we can create that software in my mind. I show you that software in few minutes when we successfully build it, and by the end of this video where we talk about how to monetize this skill and earn thousands of dollars, because already many people earn thousands of dollars using the exact skill what you are going to learn in this video. So let's get started. So let's start with the fundamental thing, which is what is web application and web software. So let's start with this first question. Also, I designed this full course in very practical way, but in the starting we covered one single theory, and all the remaining part I will explain you while building that software. So you don't this is very interesting full course I have designed. So let's start with what is web app. So mainly four type of vibe coding you can do. The first one is mobile app. Every day we use mobile and mobile apps. It can include YouTube, Instagram, any other games like Free Fire or Minecraft, etc, etc. Any app you use in the mobile which covered in mobile app. It is little bit less powerful. The second one is desktop app, where we covered the desktop application. For example, the Premiere Pro, Photoshop, Filmora, and any other software what you can use on the desktop. It have much more capabilities from your mobile. That's why it's a full-fledged desktop app. The third category is landing page. I want to show you some example of landing page. You can see this type of websites are called landing page, where all the information are given related to you and your business, all of that thing. This is just your business card in digital way. So this is a landing page section. And the fourth and the most powerful what we are going to cover in this video, which is software and web application, where you can access any app through your browser. You can use Chrome browser or Microsoft Edge and any other browser to access that website. In this section we can cover many softwares like we can cover ChatGPT. You can access ChatGPT through this software. You can access YouTube through their software. This is a YouTube you can access through your browser. The Airbnb, the Gmail also a web software you can use. You can see here this is a web software. This is all covered in web software section. So this is our first question, what is web software, is we already covered that. Our next section is how to create an software using no code platform like Lovable or Bolt. We just want to describe our idea to this software, and that type of AI create that full software for us. So in this video we are going to create a to-do list or a tracker where we can plan our full day, what we want to do, what is our goals, and all of that thing. But that type of software is already existing. Today we are building a software which is gamify. When you complete any task or any your goal, you get points for that. You can level up in that, you can redeem that coin, you get rewards, mystery rewards, and everything through that coins and for completing tasks. This is all what we are going to build today, and this is all for free. You don't want to spend a single penny to create that software and everything. So this is much more interesting. So let's start building that. Also, while building I covered the every concept of related to that. But before start creating that software, we want to cover some more basics, which is related to web application, so you get clarity while building that. You already know this is browser based software, and this is much more personalized for you. Like my Gmail is fully personalized for me, not for any other person. My YouTube is fully personalized for me, not other person. This is what I want to tell you. And the web application is foundation of SaaS platform like big SaaS companies you already hear, like OpenAI, Gemini, and any other big softwares. This is all the basics of this what we are going to build today without writing a single line of code. This is very interesting. So this is all we already covered. So let's talk about the front end and the back end. You need to know this concept. So let's talk about what is front end. So front end is what you see while accessing any app and any software. All the button, text, layout, menu, everything. Let's take an example of a dining table in a restaurant. Here the dining table is your front end. You can see the table, the chairs, the all the hall of this restaurant, everything you can see through your eyes. This is your front end. And the kitchen, you can't see the kitchen where the dish is created and all of that thing. This is all the backend related things. You can't access the backend. So this is the kitchen section where all the heavy lifting is happened, because all the food preparation and all of that thing happened in the backend. And in the digital software section, all the heavy lifting like big decision making, data storage, API access, authentication, database, everything is covered in backend. Let's open Airbnb and I want to give you example. You can see many homes here, all the buttons and any text, which is all the front end part. You can just access the front end part here. When you click any button and buy any home, this is all included in the front end, but your logins, your APIs, everything happened in the backend. If you don't know what is API, I will cover it in few minutes. So here, what here you see the images, the text, the buttons and everything is the part of the front end. This is our menu, and the backend is your logins, your APIs and everything what you are doing on this app, your database, everything is the backend. Like your name, your hotel booking, everything saved in the backend. If you don't know what is API, so let's talk about a API section. The full form of API is application programming interface. It allows software to talk with each others. Let's back on the example of the restaurant. When you go to any restaurant and sit on a dining table, a waiter come to you and take your order. You tell him what you want, what dishes you want, and the waiter take your order and go to the chef in the kitchen, and the chef prepare this food and give this to waiter, and waiter give that food to you. The waiter section is the API section where waiter connect us with the chef. We can't directly access the chef or the kitchen. The waiter do this for us. The exact work API do for us. With the help of API, we can connect different type of app. We are not going to create a full Gemini application in our software in that. We just access their API and integrate it in our software. Using API, we can integrate different type of powerful software in our application like Gemini, OpenAI and any other. If you want to access the Google Maps in your software, you don't want to launch the missiles and record all the world map and all of that thing. You can just access their API and integrate their map in your software. This is all the work of external API. One more category is internal API. We are going to cover it in later in this video. But before that, let's talk about two type of request of API. The GET request and the POST request. The GET request we use to get any data from the software. Like when you go to YouTube and click any video. So let's take an example of this one. I just click on this video. This is an GET API. We want this video, so that's why we send the GET request. This is a type of GET request. We want any video, we click that, and in the background YouTube open this video for us. This is very long process, but in the software section it happen in few milliseconds. And when you want to access any post request, let's take an example of post request. When we send any information to the YouTube, like I just comment, share your thoughts related to this video. So this is an example of post request, because we are posting someone. We are post this comment on this application. This is a post request, what we covered here. In the post request, we post any data like filling any form, uploading any image, uploading video and any other thing where we post something, our information. This is the post request. So this is all the information of APIs. Let's talk about the authentication section, which is much more important security part of our software. So in the simple way, the authentication is your login in any system, in any software. Like whenever I access my Gmail, this is fully personalized for me because of I enter my email ID and password here. This is like your Google login and any other login through your software like ChatGPT, YouTube, Gemini and any other software what you access through login. This is the authentication part. It's help us to manage our account more securely, give more personalized interface and all of that thing. So this is much more important because using this login and password only you can access your account, not any other person. This is all the information of the theory part in this video. So let's go to the practical section and start building the software. For that, I just describe what I want in this prompt section. So just give me 2 minutes. I will explain everything what I want here. Right now, I write the full prompt what you want. Our app name is Level Up Live, all the theme mode and everything what we want in this front end section. I give this same prompt in the description, so you can just copy this same prompt from here. And I also get help of Gemini to create that. I just describe what I want and what type of app I want to create, and Gemini give me this prompt. You can also take help of ChatGPT for creating that prompt. Here you can see a button called Enhance Prompt. Whenever you click on Enhance Prompt, the Bolt enhance your prompt and write it in much more detail and much more better way to get better results. So just wait a few seconds to enhance this prompt. Then you can see this prompt is enhanced. So I just copy the same prompt from here, Ctrl+C, and paste it in Lovable. And we compared both the results of Lovable and Bolt. Whatever give us better results, we continue from that. So I just paste it here. The process of building software is same for both of these softwares. So don't worry about that. Right now we are going to build the front end section, what we can see. Just focus on front end. The backend section we covered later in this video. We want to give some time to create that front end. It takes some time like 2 to 5 minutes to create the front end and the first draft of our software. So I will meet you in few minutes. Right now the Bolt give us the results. You can see he automatically adds some task here. We change it in the backend section, but just focus on the front end. Here our profile, the level up, the levels, the today's task, what we completed is here. Everything is available in this front end. You can see this is our dashboard section, and in this plus button we can add any quest. So let's check it's working or not. So upload a video. So I just enter this, and the difficulty level is hard or medium. Let's take medium and embed stack and upload it. You can see this is working and the task is added, but this is just added in the front end section. We want to add our backend in later in this video. Just focus on the front end. All of that is working in the right way. So this is good. In the reward section you can see this is working under development. We want to work on this reward section, work on this achievement section, and also the profile section. So now let's focus on that, and you can see the Lovable also create his app. The Bolt results is this, and the Lovable result is this. This is also good, but maybe the Lovable give us better results. You can see, yeah, you can go with anyone what you want. For now we go with the Bolt because I love this. You can see how it's look in the mobile app. This is what look like in the mobile, and this is what look like in desktop. So right now it's good. Right now we want to activate all the reward, achievement and profile section. So now let's focus on the reward section. Here I want to describe what we want in the reward section. So I just type in the reward section, include a mystery gift, which is the main attraction and main gift, where people get any big mystery gift related to. You can see here I write a basic prompt like watch your favorite movie, go on trip with your friends, eat your favorite food, etc. This is all example I give this, and I write it. It's super personalized through users, and we are going to do this. Anything what you like, you can mention it from your interest. Also a mystery box where any gift you can get, and this is a big part of that. So this is what I include everything. So here I include everything what I want in this section. So let's paste it and let's see what type of result it give us, and maybe a few seconds it's working. I will meet you after he completed his own process. Right now you can see all the reward section is unlocked. We can add a night with 200 aura, friends trip with 800 aura, spa day, and the OG mystery box where you can get any price based on your interest, and this is cost 500 aura, and you get that aura from completing that task. So this is what we want to create. Right now we want to activate the achievement and the profile section. Then we go to the backend section where we integrate Supabase with our application and then publish it. So first of all we want to activate these two. So I don't want this achievement button, and I want this in under construction. I just show you how we can do the profile section. You can do the same work with the achievement section. So for in the profile section we want to prompt. Right now I give him a prompt, make the profile section where the users information like their levels, aura, their name and profile pictures. We can also have some other features like edit their name, edit their interest, edit their mobile number and other settings like a profile section. We just want to tell what we want and just enter, and just wait for few minutes for getting the results. You can see the Bolt already started creating that, and you just want to wait for few seconds. Right now you can see the Bolt give us results, but the results are very irritating and I don't like this result. You can simply change it by just describing what you want in the prompt section. The all of three rewards. If you want to change in the previous step, you just want to scroll up and just click on this restore button, and the previous step is automatically. So if you want to preview what the previous step look like, you just want to click on this and you can see this is our previous step and this is what we want like that. So just click on restore and you will redirect on that. You can see we want this, so I just click on restore and restore this. You can see our previous project is successfully restored and all of that things are here. You just want to give it prompt again and it will activate it. I just give him a prompt, make a profile section of this web app. It should look like professional, and in front end I just give it this prompt and I will enhance this prompt using the enhance button. I just enhance it and you can see the prompt is enhanced. The prompt is enhanced and looking very much professional and good looking. You just want to click on this button and you also can just see what it does by reading it. We just click on this send button and wait for few seconds to create that. Right now you can see it give us results, but this is not satisfying. You can also change it by just describing it, but right now we stay on this because we want to cover the further concept of this building this app. So right now we want to integrate our backend in that. For integrate backend we use Supabase. To integrate that, just click on this integration section and click on this Supabase button. I just click on this and log in using your account. Just click on sign up now and use your email password to sign up. You can see I just enter my email and password and click on sign up button. After you click on sign up, the sign up is successfully done. You just want to verify your email. So just go on your Gmail and verify that. After you verify from your email, you will redirect on this page. Just click on create an organization and give it your name. So we just give it name Level Up Live. Just give it this name and create organization. Don't touch on these two types. We just go on free projects. This is all we want, and click on authorize Bolt. And you can see our Supabase is successfully connected with our Bolt. Just close on this window and go back on this section. And right now we want to create a new project, so just click on this, give it a name. So just give it name Level Up Live. This is our app name. Just give it a password. You can see I just give it a password, and also select your closest region. So we just click on this, and my closest region is South Asia, Mumbai. I just click on this and create a new project. If you are from America or New York or Australia or anywhere else, you just want to select your closest server. So this is what we want. You can see, so you can see our Supabase is successfully installed. Right now we want to click on this button and go into our Supabase and start your project. just select our level up live project and we want to connect it using our Supabase. For that we are not touch it in the Supabase, we are operating it from the Bolt section. So right now I just type here all the information of the users is saved in the Supabase connected. I just write a simple prompt, all the information of users will be saved in the Supabase we connected, and just click on enhance prompt. This is help us a lot in the Bolt, and the Lovable don't give us this section, this type of feature, so this is much more helpful. So just click on that and you can see the more detailed prompt it give us, and just stick on that. And I will tell you what is Supabase. So Supabase will help us to connect the backend. Like I already told you this before, so Supabase help us to connect the backend. This is just our front end what Bolt give us, but all the information, all the database, all the other thing will be saved in the Supabase section. So we just did that. All the information is successfully created. Just go on our Supabase and let's see it did that or not. Right now you can see it doesn't did that, so we want to rewrite the prompt in Supabase. I just prompted in Supabase create a table and make these columns: username, user ID, user level, interest, mobile number and email. So we just click on this enhance prompt again and let's see it created that or not. So the prompt is already enhanced using the Supabase, and let's give it this and let's see what type of results we get from this type of prompt. Daily tokens is consumed in this single section. So you get daily few tokens, and if you want more tokens you can simply upgrade this Bolt or simply share this with your friends and earn 200 free tokens. You can see on this I already referred 2 persons and it give me 400 tokens by this, and you can see it already did that work. For migration in Supabase we want to click on this apply changes button. So I just click on this apply changes button. He created the user tables. So let's see it did that work or not, and you can see all the table is already created. The table is already created. If you go to the table editor, we see the username, ID and all that thing we want in this section. So this is what we want. Our backend is successfully connected. If you want to change anything, we can simply prompt it and it will did that work for us. Right now we want to add the authorization and authentication section. For that we just give it. Now let's add the authorization and authentication section where the user can log in or sign up using their email ID and password. They can also switch it from sign up to login section by clicking on a button, and all the information of the user will save in our Supabase. This is what we did. You can see. Now let's add a authentication and authorization section where the user can log in or sign up using their email ID and password. They can also switch between sign up and login section by clicking a button, and all the information of user will be saved in Supabase. Let's enhance it by enhancing this prompt. This is the very best feature of Bolt. If you don't know how to prompt this app, you just want to click on this and all the work is done for you. So now let's click on this send button and let's see what type of work we get from this. Now you can see the email ID and password button are successfully created. We can also switch between sign up and sign in section where we want to enter our name, email ID, password, confirm password. This is all what we want. So I just log in using my name. I just type it my name, my email ID, use a password and just create an account. I just click on create account and nothing happened because error come in. So we just want to click on this attempt to fix. You just want to click on this button and just wait for few more minutes to solve this issue. You don't want to solve this yourself, you just click on this attempt fix and the Bolt automatically fix that issue. Right now you just learn how to create AI agent by just describing what you want in the simple plain English. This is all what we want to create your own software or start selling this same skill what you learn in this video. Our last section of this video is monetization and earning money using that skill. Many people are already doing that same thing and earning thousands of dollars every single month. For that you can do multiple things. You can simply create simple website using this and sell it. This is the very basic and the normal thing you can start with. But the more capabilities of this no code platform is creating mini softwares or MVPs for businesses. Let's take an example of a business owner insane level of software, and it take probably hundreds of thousands of dollars for creating that software. You can simply offer it a simple MVP of this same software. You can simply create it on your own. This is just a trial or demo purpose, how this software going to perform, how it's look like, and everything what it need. In less money, you can charge $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 for these simple MVPs, and people charging tens of $1,000 for creating that type of software for businesses and business owners. Other thing you can do with this is business dashboard. You can simply create businesses need to handle lots of data and manage all of that. For that you can simply create a business dashboard for them where all of their data, all the database, all the information of their business is saved in a structured way. This is not a messy or a bad looking way. You can create an good looking, interesting, cool, professional business dashboard for them. This is all you need to know for starting this type of services and charge premium prices. My favorite is MVP. You can simply charge lots of money for giving MVP or business dashboard to businesses. For getting clients, you have many options like cold outreach, content creation, etc, etc. I am not going to that in this video because the video is already too much long. This is the all information you need to know to create interesting software, many MVPs for businesses and earn through it using vibe coding. You don't want to write a single line of code. I will teach you everything about that. If you get value from this video, just like this video because it takes lots of work and lots of effort for creating this single video. Also leave a comment what you think about this vibe coding and what you are going to do. And if you have any question, you can simply ask on this comment section and I will respond you as soon as possible how you can fix that and everything about that. Also you can subscribe this YouTube channel to get more tutorials like this and full crash course coming soon on this YouTube channel, so you can just subscribe. Also we created lots more videos about that. If you want to know how to earn money using AI or AI agent, the best way to earn money is AI transformation partner. You can simply click on this video after that or watch how to start a business in 2025 using AI transformation partner business. So I will meet you in this video. Just click on that.